notice how you have that one friend that has no sense of personal boundaries? No matter what they do, they just cannot stay away from you?
Down.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Wake your ass up. Bitch, I'm up. I'm up. The fuck? I'm up.
Do you want a bitch? Down, down. Sit. Lay down. Up. Speak. Who's a good boy? Lay down. Up. Up, up. Good boy. Stay. Stay. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8, 2 3/4, 2 3/6. How long can you stay there for? Are you drooling? Do you want that bitch? I bet you do. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, good boy.
Dobie, blue, blue. Dobie, blue, blue. Okay, guys, leave it, okay? Can you leave it? I'll be right back, okay?
Vas-tu vraiment travailler?
Cutie.
Go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't want to fall asleep. I don't. You holding your poodle? Oh, he cleans you. Just eat him?
Wait, what are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna! What the? Oh my god. Magna!
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Everybody thinks that she's so big. Guys, she's the tiniest thing. She is the tiniest thing. Watch. Let me get this water bottle right here. This is her next door water bottle. Look at her. Look how tiny she is. Hi, Moshe.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Good girl. Oh, shit. Sorry, I thought it was a service dog. It is? Oh. I didn't know service dogs did that. Hugh?
This is Sky. She's born deaf. When it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love.
Can you do it? Set, go. Wait. Come on. Who's here? Come by this way. Hi. Hello. We have company. You can do it. Oh, don't cry. You can do it, buddy. Jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. Oh. Daddy's not gonna help you. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on, jump. What? What? Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. You can do it. So watch.
Floofy and you know what, do a speak. Speak. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're floofy and you know it, do a speak.
All right, Tucker, I have to leave. Absolutely no girls. I'll be watching you on the camera, so no getting in trouble, okay? Good boy. I'll see you later. Oh, hey, Tuck. You want a treat? Here you go, bud. Wait a minute. Who's that?